Cooper at DSI Automotive today, joined by Jeff from Truck Hardware, talking about Truck Hardware's finishing caps. So Jeff, what are these different types of finishing caps?
Well, thanks, Cooper. Yeah, these are this is our lineup of finishing caps for the GMC and Chevy trucks. We started them back in 2019 with the GMC 1500. This was created because people wanted more clearance in the fender wells. They wanted a nice, clean look. They didn't want the factory plastic hanging down there. And then the product line's grown from there. We came out with the Chevy HDs, and now we've also got the GMC HDs. Again, these are a clean look, super small tapered caps, provide maximum clearance. The GMC one is offset 2 inches, so that when the wheels turn to the tightest point, you know, if they're going oversized, that kind of thing, there's tons of clearance with these things.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's the install process like on these?
It's super quick and easy. Only 5 factory bolts, and you just drop the original plastic, and then these go straight back up into that location.
Okay. And then on those Silverados, that's where you need these fender plugs, correct?
Yes, that is correct. These are painted, what we call a color match plug. They're available in like 20 different colors. There's like a selection, like say 10 of them. These just simply snap in from the outside, so you pull the factory plastic off, there's a little hole in the fender, and then these just snap in, super quick, super easy, and it hides the removal of that factory plastic.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is the difference between then the finishing cap and the finishing cap here you got?
Yeah, so this is actually a new part for last year. This is the finishing cap and mud flap combo. This is our Gatorback custom rubber series. So you get a heavy duty Gatorback. We have like 20 different plates available for these things, all different logos and different finishes. And again, it has the small tapered caps. These stay up nice and tight to the body. They're still offset, so you have lots of clearance, but if you want to have a nice mud flap to protect your paint from any stone chips, this is what you go with.
Sweet. Well, awesome. Thanks for the info, Jeff.
No problem.
Yeah.